guys, we're about to range test the Kentucky rifle. So first thing we got to do is load it. Now on this end here, you would fit this into place, pull it in between the rabbit ear sights, open the lock on it, pull it down on this end here, hook that onto the thing. Now, as you can see, let's see if I can get this where you can see it. I'm trying to get this camera where you can see the, there we go. Zoom it in a piece here. There you go. Now, I'm about 10, 12, 15 feet away, something like that. I think it's closer to 12. Let's see if we can hit from here. A little low. So, you got to remember it's windy, so we're getting a bit of weight of drop and windage going on here. So, I'm going to reload it and we'll try again. Pull it up here, hook it onto the barrel. Now, bring it back up, and I'm going to aim a little high this time. Went over his head. So, I'll be right back. I'll go get my bands and we'll try this again. Alright, we're going to try this again. The wind and other factors. So we're going to try one more shot here, a couple more. Then I'm going to try the new one that we built yesterday on video. There's one shot. Let me zoom this back in. As you can see, it did in fact hit. Let me reload, and I'll see if I can take out the rest of the stack from here. See if I can take out the rest of this stack. Nope, I missed. But, grab this and this. Let's walk up here and take a look, see at what we got. Alright. Bring it back to regular and turn off the zoom out. Now, as you can see, the first shot hit exactly where it was supposed to. And grab my extra band. I'm gonna leave. So the big bands up here. Remember, you got to link 4 of these abreast here to get this thing across. Hopefully the wind won't mess with us. Let's grab the new one. The other band, put it in the pocket. And let's amble back on over here. Don't move so fast. And you guys are looking right now at probably about the biggest project we've ever built on the channel. So, there's that. Alright. Zoom in. We're going to try it with the new gun. The one we built now. There's some subtle differences. The barrel's a little smaller on this one. So, you're going to get a chance to try this one out and see what she does. It may not have the same range because of various reasons, but let's see what we get. Well, almost hit. Went a little bit off angle. So let's reload it. You may have to have tighter bands or smaller bands or whatever. You got to really adjust it. Each one of these rubber band guns has kind of got its own personality and requires its own ammo in a certain way. See, that one would have hit, but I was a little bit off. Try to fire this last round here. It's able to reach it, it's just I haven't sighted it in good yet. Let's pull this up, put it in its notch, bring it around, and there you are. So I'd say that's pretty doggone good. So, there you are. Zoom out. Get a look at it from a distance here. And that's about right. Now if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to get notified, and I will see you cats, one and all. On the flip side, don't forget to follow us on social media, Facebook, Pinterest, and Patreon. And we'll catch you in the next video. And on the flip side, also on a side note, everybody wish happy birthday to Kid Mad. 9 years old. So, happy birthday, kid. We love you very much. I'll catch you later, and bye-bye. See you on the flip side. God bless.